You are a function of this total galaxy. The real deep down you is the whole universe. And it's doing your living organism and all its behavior. It's expressing it as a singer sings a song.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast. Yes, you've read right. I am selling my BMW M3. Yes, I know I was meant to do a massive project and there was a lot more meant to be coming with this car. Some of you have probably noticed that I haven't really gelled with the car. For you people that have noticed that, you're actually right, I haven't really gelled with the car. It's more just where I am in life at the moment. You know, like this YouTube life, it's kind of crazy. You don't know what you're doing every day and it's not a secure thing, you know, trying to rely on YouTube for a living. You know, you obviously see me sell my F80 M3. The reason I bought the E92 M3 is because I believe that the next best thing from an F80 is an E92. It's not because I felt the F80 was better, why I'm selling it. It's simply, yeah, I'm just not really in a position to be driving this car. And if there was no YouTube, I wouldn't need a car, to be fair. Like I'm driving so many high performance cars on the channel, and I believe this car isn't needed for me to push my channel further. I'm not writing off that I'm not going to buy a new car, but I'm not selling this car with the intentions of buying a new car. The opportunities that are presented to me on a daily basis are ridiculous, so I can't say I may be in a new car, but like I say, the intentions ain't to buy a new car. So I'm still looking at the progression of the channel. I've still got a very long way to go, but the way the channel's going is incredible. Like the last 20-25 days I've had nearly 7,000 subscribers, so the rate's just increasing and increasing. And like I say, I'm just making strategic moves to allow for me to keep producing videos and content for you guys. I know I promised that I was going to do like a massive project and there was going to be more mods and stuff like that, but you know, it just is what it is, man. Life catches up, and you know, you have reality checks and it's got to go, you know, it's got to go. Like I say, I'm not in a position to be driving this car, and I'm not trying to say that it's super expensive to maintain. Like this car, I've not spent a penny on this car. Like service, what, a couple £100. You know, obviously I've modified it a bit. I bought the wheels, bought suspension, had the brakes upgraded, but apart from that, I've not had to spend no money in this car. So you might be like, well, why are you selling it then? And it's mainly the fuel, like really, because all I'm ever doing is driving to different owners, so I feel I don't really need the car. Like I say, I bought the car because I felt I needed to have a performance car for the channel, but as the channel's progressing, I don't really need this car, and I think by selling it, like I say, some opportunity may pop up, and some of you that have got E92s, or some of you that have bought E92 M3s because of me, this car is perfect. Like I've got nothing against it. It's everything that I require from a car. Although, like I'm mentioning, like the petrol's expensive, that's just for me, because like I say, I'm riding out on this YouTube thing, so it's a bit different. Like my partner drives an E93 M3, so the convertible. She drives it on a daily basis, and she doesn't earn a massive amount of money. She's on an average wage, and fuel is not a problem. She travels quite far as well, so don't be put off that, you know, I'm selling it because of fuel. It really isn't a massive. Of course the car's crap on petrol, there's no denying it, but like I say, me and my position in life right now, it's a bit stupid for me to be driving this car. Even when I first bought this car, I wasn't in a position to buy it. So it's the first car in my life that I've not really drove that much. I bought it on, I think, 54,000. It's now on about, can't even see, it's on about 62, 63k. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing the car, you know, drop me a message. You know, although I'm going to sell the car, I've not made an advert, and I don't know when I'm going to sell the car. I'm always busy editing and filming. I'm just trying to bang this content out, so getting a second to make an ad and stuff like that is what I need to do. But if any of you are interested in buying the car, drop me a message. For those of you that don't know, this car is actually a category D, so it's had a crash. I actually paid about 17 grand for this car, so I'm just looking to get my money back. It will come with the wheels, it will come with the suspension. I've got fresh brakes. It's had a service recently at Volvo Automotive. It's a 2011 model facelift. The car's, you know, completely clean. There's no issues with it. Got a sort of front bulb on it, but yeah, I probably will put it on eBay, put it on an auction, or I don't know, I may put it into a garage and have them sell it for me. So if any of you are interested, definitely get in contact. So yeah, you know, although I'm selling the car, some of you might be pissed off. I don't have to sell this car, but I think it's a wise move to get rid of it. Generally, I'm really happy with the progress. I'm happy with you guys supporting the channel. Everything's going so well, man. You know, like I said a little while ago, I'm going to concentrate on these car features, and look, I've had just a shitload of subscribers ever since. There's a lot of you that are watching now for the first time probably. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting the channel. Did a collaboration with DMO, spoke to Joe Archiles the other day, gonna do a collab with him. Sideways Sid got a collab coming up with him, a few other YouTubers as well. So I'm fully on this YouTube life, man. I've got to get the tattoo soon. I've got it on the top already. But yeah, there's some more things. I need to get jackets, I need to get some stickers for you guys. There's so many things, man. There's like 101 things I need to do for this channel to keep stepping up. But the main thing is keep filming, keep editing, and you know, the channel will continue to grow. So that's the main thing, you know. I'm starting to try and make smart moves. There's so many people that want me to film their cars, but I will never ever be able to film all of your cars. So I mean, if this was a full-on business, I would need like 2-3 staff members. So although I'm trying to make smart moves, I'm not saying that I'm only filming powerful cars or, you know, supercars and stuff like that. I'm just trying to make smart moves that are going to do well for the channel, and it's going to help me progress further, you know. So I have a lot of people that message me, like even today I've had 2 people with M140s, and it's like I can't just film 2 M140s because I've already done 2. Done an M135i Arthurs, I've done an M140 recently, so it wouldn't be really smart for me to film another one. I think I'm going to try to stay away from Audis and Volkswagens because I've done so many recently, and you guys are probably starting to get a little fed up. And I told you that I just film. Whoever contacts me, that's what I film. Today, I mentioned in a video the other day about a Toyota Supra, and today I had an email saying, yo, my mate's got 800 brake Supra. So anybody that's watching, like, guys, I'll film anything. I don't care if it's Japanese, Italian, German, English. It can be anything. Just get in touch, you know. I want to film random cars. You know, I know you all know I love my German, especially love my BMs, but I'm up for filming anything, do you know what I mean? As long as it makes sense for the channel. Loads of cars coming. I'm excited for the future of LLF. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to you guys that have supported me, man. Like, you know, whether it's been from day one or you're a new subscriber, it's all love on the channel. It's mad. It's like a proper family thing, like, you know. I'm starting to get a little more comfortable with this camera thing. Even now, like, I just feel awkward. It's so weird. I'm sitting in the woods with a camera on the side of a road. It's like just weird, isn't it? Like, so most people like this YouTube thing, like filming, and you probably think that I love this YouTube life, but it's not really me, like being in front of a camera. But I'm starting to adjust to it, getting used to it. I think everything's going well. So if there's anything that you recommend, anything you think I should be doing differently, or you're not happy about something, drop me a comment, let me know, man. And you know, I'll try introduce it or I'll try change it. So yeah, I think we'll leave it as that. As always, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. LLF merchandise is now available, so why not show your support and head over to my website www.livinglifefast.co.uk, where you can find hats, jumpers and t-shirts in all sizes. Thank you.